Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your video quality into Ultra HD in CapCut Mobile. So here I've already imported a video. As you see, my video looks like standard quality, and if you want to improve it, what you need to do is go to adjust, click on the video quality, and here there is this option, image quality. Click on that and just swipe the white circle into UHD or Ultra HD. So swipe it like this, click on the check icon. Now CapCut will enhancing the image quality. Just wait until the result came out. Okay, so now you can see in the timeline my video will be labeled as HD. I don't know if you notice the difference, but I think I do. There are my video looks more like smooth, and the noise is no longer there. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.